Consider following me there as well. With that, let's begin. My good friends at Florida Drone Supply, Janelle McVeigh, and her associates sent me a DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual to put through its paces. I am very thankful for that and want to extend my appreciation to them for this. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to take a look, we're going to do an unboxing, and then after the unboxing, we're going to get with my first impressions and what I think of that. So let's roll to the unboxing. Okay, we're going to go ahead and unbox the DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual. Now this is the case that it comes in from the factory. See, there's a sticker on it, and it does have the Mavic 2 Dual Enterprise on this. This is exactly what you get when you open the box up. Now, it has a double latch system on it. There's a nice, probably can't see that. Let's go ahead. Nice eggshell foam up on the top. And then you have a card here. Now this card has everything that should be in the drone. Of course, there are 3 slots here for extra batteries, but we're going to go ahead and take a look at everything in here. So first of all, have the remote. Here are, looks like there are manuals in here. And here's the drone itself. This is nice. There's a piece of foam here you could see that holds the Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual in here. And here's the Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual. And let's go ahead and take that off. And let's go ahead and get a nice look at the camera here. The dual lens. That's pretty incredible. Okay, here we have the accessories that come with the Mavic 2, would come with a Mavic 2 Enterprise. We have the strobe light here. We have the floodlights here. We have the loudspeaker here. In back we have the charging hub. And it looks like we also have extra propellers back here as well. So that's the unboxing of the DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual. Okay, that was unboxing of the DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual. And now let's go ahead and get with my first impressions. I'm going to give some first impressions of the DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual. It is very much like the DJI Mavic 2 Pro that I have myself. It's very solid. One of the things that I liked was the gimbal cover up front. It has a what looks like a felt pad or some cushioning on it right here. That's something that I really thought was a great thought from DJI. Again, you know, it's very similar. Give you some close-ups here of it and that camera as well. Again, you know, it's very similar to my Mavic 2 Pro. One of the things that really kind of impressed me was when I had first looked at the Mavic 2 Enterprise and taking a look at the loudspeaker, the floodlight, and also the strobe light, I thought they were bigger. I was kind of surprised how small they are. One of the things I really liked was the case that DJI includes with this. It is a fantastic case. You know, one of the things that I did like about it, you know, it's a small thing, but I think it's a big thing, is this styrofoam slot that fits in, and you can see it's kind of shaped to have the drone sit in there. So this sits on there. So it kind of keeps the drone in there. It's very solid, and I really like that. That was a great thought from DJI to do something like this. So I am excited to get this up in the air. Over the next several days, I'm going to be putting it through its paces. And one of the things that I do want to focus on is that FLIR camera. I want to take a good look at it. I want to be able, of course, what I'm going to do is I will use my house as a test subject, and Valerie and our dog will be test subjects as well. So I'm looking forward to getting an opportunity to do that. Also fly it a little bit and take a look and see how the flight characteristics are, and try to compare that to the Mavic 2 Pro, and also look at the regular camera too. Those are some of the things that I have planned for this. I'm very excited for this opportunity. Again, I want to thank Janelle McVeigh and the great folks at Florida Drone Supply for this wonderful opportunity to be able to test this. So those are my first impressions of the DJI Mavic Enterprise Dual. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly. Take care, everybody.